How to buy Dollar Broccoli, Broccoli Token Crypto Coin. If you're interested in buying Dollar Broccoli, the Broccoli token, you're in the right place. This guide will take you step by step through the process of purchasing Dollar Broccoli, a fun and potentially lucrative meme coin. It's important to ensure that you take the correct steps to avoid any issues when purchasing a new token. Here's how you can safely buy Dollar Broccoli. Step 1. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Before purchasing Dollar Broccoli, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet that supports ERC-20 or BEP-20 tokens, depending on the blockchain the token is on. The most commonly used wallets for meme coins are MetaMask, a browser extension wallet that supports both Ethereum-based and Binance Smart Chain tokens. You may need to configure it for Binance Smart Chain. Trust Wallet, a mobile wallet that supports both Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain (BSC) tokens. Coinbase Wallet, a mobile wallet and browser extension wallet that supports ERC-20 and BEP-20 tokens. Make sure to securely back up your wallet's recovery phrase and store it somewhere safe. This is crucial if you need to recover your wallet in the future. Step 2. Buy Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB. Dollar Broccoli is most likely traded against ETH, Ethereum, or BNB, Binance Coin, on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, so you'll need to buy one of these cryptocurrencies first. If you don't already have ETH or BNB, you can purchase them on major exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini. Once you've bought ETH or BNB, transfer it to the wallet you've set up in Step 1. Make sure you have some additional funds for the transaction's gas fees, Ethereum network fees, or Binance Smart Chain fees. Step 3. Connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX. Now, you need to connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX, where Dollar Broccoli is listed. Most meme coins are available on popular DEX platforms like Uniswap for Ethereum-based tokens like Dollar Broccoli, PancakeSwap for Binance Smart Chain tokens like Dollar Broccoli. Here's how to connect your wallet. Go to Uniswap for Ethereum-based tokens or PancakeSwap for Binance Smart Chain tokens. Click on Connect Wallet and select the wallet you're using, e.g., MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. Make sure your wallet is connected to the correct network, Ethereum for Uniswap or Binance Smart Chain for PancakeSwap. Step 4. Find Dollar Broccoli token. After connecting your wallet, search for the Dollar Broccoli token on the DEX. If you cannot find it by searching, you will need to manually enter the token's contract address. You can find the correct contract address for Dollar Broccoli through the following trusted sources: the official Dollar Broccoli website, trusted social media channels like Twitter, Telegram, or Discord, CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, which often list tokens along with their contract addresses. Be careful. Always double-check the contract address before making any purchase. Using an incorrect address may lead you to buy the wrong token or a scam. Step 5. Make the purchase. Now that you've found the correct Dollar Broccoli token, follow these steps to purchase. Choose how much ETH or BNB you want to swap for Dollar Broccoli. Review the transaction details, including the slippage tolerance and gas fees. Slippage tolerance is a setting that accounts for slight price fluctuations during the transaction. For new or volatile tokens like Dollar Broccoli, you may need to adjust this to 1 to 3%. Gas fees are the transaction fees for using the Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain network. Make sure you have enough ETH or BNB to cover these fees. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm the transaction. Your wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction. After you approve it, the DEX will process the transaction. After confirmation, your Dollar Broccoli tokens will appear in your wallet. Step 6. Store and monitor your Dollar Broccoli tokens. Once your transaction is complete, you'll see Dollar Broccoli tokens in your wallet. You can track their value and performance through platforms like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX tools. Remember that meme tokens like Dollar Broccoli can be volatile, so keep an eye on market changes and price movements. Important tips and warnings. Double-check the contract address. Always verify the correct contract address before buying Dollar Broccoli. Double-check using trusted sources such as official websites, social media channels, and major crypto data sites like CoinMarketCap. Be wary of scams. Scammers often create fake tokens or similar-looking contract addresses. Stick to verified sources and don't trust deals that seem too good to be true. Gas fees. Gas fees can be high on Ethereum-based tokens. If you're using Ethereum, make sure you have enough ETH in your wallet to cover the transaction costs. Slippage tolerance. For volatile tokens like meme coins, you may need to adjust your slippage tolerance, usually 1 to 3%. Security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all exchange accounts and be sure to keep your private keys secure. Never share them with anyone. Conclusion. Buying Broccoli, the Broccoli token, is a simple process if you follow these steps carefully. Make sure you have a secure wallet, purchase Ethereum or Binance Coin, connect to a DEX like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and ensure you're using the correct contract address for Broccoli. As always, proceed with caution and make sure to do your own research before buying any cryptocurrency, especially meme-based coins. Happy trading, and enjoy your journey into the world of Broccoli.